Hi friends, me Jitendra Sharma, certified yoga teacher, MD in acupressure, going to tell you something about guided meditation. Meditation is a process which can relieve you from all type of tensions, but you shall have to do it at least for 10 minutes. Today, I will tell you the procedure, precautions, and all about guided meditation. Let us start. Are you feeling fragile? Carry the weight of the world on your shoulder. 10 minutes is all you need to melt away stress and find deep relaxation with this guided meditation. Crave out 10 minutes in your day where you won't be disturbed. Dim the light, put your phone on silent, and create a comfortable environment. You can sit in a chair with your back straight or lie down on a yoga mat or bed. Now settle in, close your eyes gently, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Exhale completely through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat the breath a few cycles, allowing your body to settle. Just inhale. You are to focus on your breath. Bring your awareness to your natural breath. Notice the rise and the fall of chest or belly with each inhalation and exhalation. Don't try to control your breath. Simply observe it. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Begin a gentle body scan. Start at your toes and wiggle them slightly. Notice any tension and consciously relax those muscles. Mentally scan each part of your body, moving upward, releasing any tightness you find. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you with each exhale. Now visualize. If visualization helps you relax, picture yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a real or imagined location. A sandy beach with crashing waves, a quiet forest path, or a cozy reading nook. Engaging your senses, feel the warmth of the sun, smell the fresh air, hear the coming sound of nature. Letting go to thoughts. Thoughts will inevitably arise during meditation. Don't judge them or try to force them away. Acknowledge them with gentle thinking, and then return your focus to your breath or visualization. After 10 minutes, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and taking a few moments to reconnect with your body. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale completely through your mouth. When you feel ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry this sense of calm throughout your day. When you feel stress creeping in, take a few deep breaths and remember the feeling of relaxation you cultivated during your meditation. There are many resources available to deepen your meditation practice. Meditation app are available online. You can also find yoga studios and meditation centers in your area that offer classes for beginners. Remember, meditation is a practice, not a perfect state. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey toward a calmer, more relaxed you. Friends, daily practice this meditation. Start from 1 minute and increase your time slowly. Don't try to pause your thoughts, but try to concentrate only on your breath. Thank you.